Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add bass in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started with opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can add more bass to our tracks. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the recording menu. So you can open up any of the instruments right here. Just open up your track. I'm going to open up audio recorder because it all works the same, and it's going to open up this new recording menu right here where you can find that we have the recording option at the top of the screen, and by clicking the button in the upper left corner right here, it's going to open up the edit mode where we can get started mixing our tracks and finding all the tracks that we have. So guys, let's say that we have tracks that we want to add more bass to. This is how to do that. All you have to do is just go ahead and find your track, and in the upper left corner next to the FX button is going to be the sliders button. So open up the sliders right here, which is going to open up the track settings, and in the track settings now you can find all the options that you have. And if you scroll down under plugins and equalizer, as you can see right here, there's going to be an option that says bass. So guys, what you can do is go ahead and add as much bass as you want, or you can reduce your bass to not have it. So you can just go ahead and adjust using the sliders right here and get your desired effect. After applying it, it's going to be automatically applied to the tracks, and that's how to get your bass. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.